Hello and welcome to Calmvestor podcast. I am Ethan. Join me on this journey to build solid financial thinking and take control of your financial future. Imagine two investors. One diligently studies market shifts, embraces new financial tools, and constantly refines their strategies. The other relies on what worked a decade ago, dismissing new trends. In today's rapidly changing financial world, which one do you think thrives? The truth is, knowledge you gained yesterday might be obsolete tomorrow. If you are not learning, you risk falling behind. Think about the explosion of fintech, artificial intelligence and trading, and blockchain technologies. These are not just buzzwords. They are reshaping the financial landscape at an unprecedented speed. Consider the rise of digital currencies. Those who took the time to learn and understand this new asset class early on often found opportunities, while many others were left skeptical or missed out entirely. So I ask you, what version is your financial knowledge operating on? Is it equipped to help you navigate the financial waves or even tsunamis that might be coming? Lifelong learning in finance is not just about accumulating degrees or certifications. It is an attitude, a commitment to continuously hone your understanding and skills to master the financial game. It is about developing what Anthony Robbins calls the understanding, the tools, the skills, the expertise, and the specialized strategies necessary for true and lasting financial abundance. This continuous learning journey is especially vital in finance because the markets are always in flux. New products emerge, technologies evolve, and regulations change constantly. Lifelong learning extends beyond mere technical knowledge. It encompasses developing a sound financial mindset, understanding investment psychology, and cultivating the ability to adapt. Imagine someone who earned a finance degree 10 years ago. If they have not updated their knowledge on fintech, behavioral finance, or new investment tools, their expertise might no longer align with today's market realities. What happens when we stop learning in this dynamic financial world? It is like setting ourselves adrift in a stormy sea without a modern GPS or weather forecast. Firstly, your knowledge becomes outdated. Strategies and tools that were once effective might no longer yield the same results, or worse, could lead to losses. Secondly, you risk missing out on significant opportunities. Without current knowledge, you might not recognize emerging trends or promising investment channels, like ESG investing or digital assets. Thirdly, relying on old information or limited understanding can lead to poor decision-making. This is a direct path to financial setbacks. As Warren Buffett wisely noted, risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. Fourthly, you lose your competitive edge. In your career, failing to update your skills can hinder advancement or even make your role vulnerable to those who are more current. Finally, a lack of updated knowledge can increase financial stress and anxiety. You might feel insecure and out of control when the market becomes volatile because you lack the understanding to navigate it. Consider investors who slept on their laurels, sticking to traditional stocks while ignoring the rise of tech companies, or those who clung to old analytical methods without exploring behavioral finance. They often learned the hard way. So why do we sometimes hesitate to embrace continuous learning, even when we know it is important? Several psychological and practical barriers can stand in our way. Lack of time is a common one. We feel swamped with work, family, and daily life, making it hard to carve out moments for learning. Fear of failure or making mistakes can also hold us back. We might shy away from new concepts because we are afraid of not understanding them or applying them incorrectly. Complacency, or the I know enough mindset, is another hurdle. We might believe our current knowledge is sufficient, underestimating the pace of change. Information overload can be overwhelming. The sheer volume of financial information available can make it difficult to know where to start or what to focus on. And sometimes, it is a lack of personal motivation or discipline. Sustaining a long-term learning habit requires consistent effort, which can be challenging. As Jim Rohn said, if you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. The power to learn lies within us. So how can we cultivate a habit of lifelong learning effectively? Let us explore some practical strategies to make learning an engaging and fruitful journey. Method 1. Read and research actively. Dedicate time to reading books, both classic and contemporary. Dive into financial reports and analyses from reputable experts. Follow insightful blogs, podcasts, and financial news channels. Start with just 15 to 30 minutes a day. The key is consistency and selecting quality sources. Remember, as Warren Buffett has implied, effort in research always yields results because it uncovers crucial information. This active pursuit of knowledge is fundamental. Method 2. Engage and learn from others. Participate in courses, workshops, and webinars. These can provide structured learning and insights into new developments. Connect with financial advisors or experienced investors who can offer guidance. Join forums or discussion groups to exchange ideas and perspectives. Do not be afraid to ask questions. Sharing your knowledge is also a powerful way to learn and solidify your own understanding. Learning is often a collaborative process. Method 3. Apply and evaluate. Knowledge becomes truly valuable when applied. Try using what you learn in managing your personal finances or in your investments, perhaps starting with a small amount if you are new to a concept. This hands-on approach is crucial. As Anthony Robbins highlighted, you need the understanding, the tools, the skills, the expertise, and the specialized strategies to build lasting wealth. Application is where these elements come together. Keep a record of your actions and their outcomes. Reflect on both your successes and your setbacks. Each experience is a learning opportunity. For instance, after learning about a new investment strategy, you might test it in a simulated environment or with a small portion of your portfolio to see how it performs in real-world conditions. Lifelong learning in finance is not a burden. It is an empowering journey of discovery. It helps you not just to survive, but to thrive and achieve true freedom in the financial world. Remember, knowledge is power. It brings confidence and the ability to take control of your financial future. Understanding market behavior and your own psychological biases, for example, can lead to more rational and steadfast decisions. Commit to learning something new each day, no matter how small it seems. Each step forward, each new insight, contributes to a more secure and prosperous financial future. Imagine a future where you navigate financial decisions with clarity and confidence, well prepared for whatever changes come your way. This is the future that continuous learning can help you build. So what is one small action you can take today to learn more about finance? Perhaps it is reading 10 pages of a financial book, listening to an informative podcast, or researching a new financial term. Share with us in the comments what financial topic you are most eager to learn about next. Let us make this learning journey a shared one. Thanks for listening. If you found this content valuable, do not forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next episode. Have an amazing day filled with positive energy.